keeping your car clean has never been easier. In this video, we're showcasing the top 5 handheld car vacuum cleaners for easy cleaning. These compact and powerful vacuums are perfect for removing dust, dirt, and pet hair from every corner of your car. From cordless convenience to strong suction and versatile nozzles, these budget-friendly options make car care quick, effortless, and efficient. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. ABS Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner. The ABS Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and portable cleaning solution designed for modern lifestyles. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to use, making it perfect for cleaning both cars and homes. Equipped with a 60-watt motor and a high-quality EPA filter, it efficiently captures dust, pet hair, and fine particles. Its flat suction nozzle reaches tight spaces, ensuring every corner of your car stays spotless. This handheld vacuum features a Li-ion battery, delivering up to 59 minutes of cordless cleaning. With a bagless design and a 0.5-liter dust box, it's simple to empty and maintain. Ideal for carpets, sofas, and car interiors, this mini vacuum cleaner combines strong suction with portability. Whether at home or on the go, it provides fast and effortless cleaning, making it a must-have tool for every car owner. Number 4. EAFC ST6645 Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The EAFC ST6645 brushless handheld vacuum cleaner delivers impressive power in a sleek and portable design. Built with durable ABS material, it's lightweight yet sturdy, making it ideal for both home and car use. Equipped with a strong brushless motor, this handheld vacuum provides 2 suction modes, 6,000 PA and 12,000 PA, ensuring effective cleaning of dust, dirt, and pet hair. Its 120-watt rated power and 35,500 RPM motor deliver deep and consistent suction. The built-in 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery supports extended cleaning sessions, while the 5-volt USB charging method makes it easy to recharge anywhere. It's cordless, convenient, and perfect for quick cleanups. With a high-efficiency HEPA filter, it captures fine particles and improves air quality. Whether for car seats, floors, or tight corners, this vacuum offers powerful performance and easy handling for everyday cleaning. Number 3. XIAOMI MIJIA Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The XIAOMI MIJIA portable handheld vacuum cleaner is a sleek and powerful tool for both home and car cleaning. Its slim, thermos-like design makes it easy to handle and store, perfect for tight spaces. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor and dual vents, it delivers 13,000 pascal suction at 88,000 RPM, efficiently removing dust, dirt, and pet hair. Users can choose low gear for 30 minutes of battery life or high gear for 9 minutes of intense cleaning. This wireless vacuum features 1-button start and 1-touch dust disposal, making the cleaning process fast and convenient. Multifunctional nozzles allow access to corners, seats, and carpets effortlessly. Lightweight and portable, the XIAOMI MIJIA combines strong suction with compact design, offering a hassle-free cleaning experience for every car owner. Number 2. CENRR Car Vacuum Cleaner. The CENRR Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and versatile handheld device designed for easy cleaning at home and in cars. Its lightweight, cordless design makes it easy to handle and maneuver in tight spaces. Equipped with a 100-watt motor and a HEPA filter, it efficiently removes dust, pet hair, and debris. The multifunctional combined brush allows users to clean carpets, seats, and hard-to-reach corners with ease. Supporting both wet and dry cleaning, this vacuum provides flexibility for various messes. The bagless 0.5-liter dust cup is simple to empty and maintain, keeping cleaning fast and hygienic. With more than 6 nozzles, it adapts to multiple surfaces and cleaning needs. Compact, portable, and cordless, the CENRR vacuum is perfect for daily car care and home use, delivering effortless and effective cleaning every time.
Number 1. SZUK C008 Car Vacuum Cleaner. The SZUK C008 Car Vacuum Cleaner is a compact and portable tool designed for easy cleaning at home, in cars, and even for keyboards. Its lightweight ABS body makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver in tight spaces. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful suction, efficiently removing dust, dirt, and pit hair from car interiors and other surfaces. This makes it ideal for quick touch-ups and everyday maintenance. The vacuum also functions as a blower, providing added versatility for cleaning keyboards, computer setups, and delicate areas. Its cordless design ensures freedom of movement without tangled wires. With its compact size, multifunctionality, and strong suction, the SZUK C008 is perfect for users who need an efficient and portable cleaning solution for cars and small spaces.
There was